Fairbanks. As you can see, I'm on a fat bike. Last time you might have saw me at Glacier National Park, I was on skinny road bike tires. These tires I'm riding are 4.5 inches wide, which makes it a lot easier to ride on snow, sand, or any sort of uneven surface. It's definitely a little more work, but it allows us to ride in these beautiful places. For beginners, the fat bike allows a little more confidence due to the tire size. It helps absorb all that vibration that you might have on a normal mountain bike. So these bikes are awesome. If you ever get a chance, bring them in the snow, bring them out on the beach. They're amazing. We're pressing the top of this climb. It's starting to get so beautiful here. I can't wait for you to see what's up ahead. It just gets better and better as the ride goes on. Nice job, keep it up. I didn't bring my milk and cookies today, but I'm riding so I can eat as much as I want later. Great job, you're doing awesome. Out here, just crushing it. I love this right now. Starting to get that RPE right at about 4 now. We want to hold it there this entire time. This endurance ride is so crucial to keep a consistent pace, a consistent cadence right around 70. I want to make sure you're getting all the benefits of climbing here in Fairbanks, Alaska. If you like staying with the cadence right around 70, when we're here fighting the elements in Alaska, I might be cold, you might be a little chilly, but these guys...
This is Bandi.
They're made for this.
Friday, 16th February 2024. I am doing iFIT bike training in Alaska mini series
They're not built like you and I.
with Jan Welsingson.
We're flattening out here on this beautiful snow path, biking together. I am so stoked you're here. These holiday rides are just going to get better and better. We're going to enjoy all the cookies, but now we got to work a little harder. Make it fun here. Before we got going, these sled dogs, they were ready to go. They were barking. They really show us they're such incredible animals. They really just want to run, and that's all they want to do. So right now, they're really happy. We're probably going about 10 miles an hour slower than they want to go, but they're having so much fun out here, even in the cold, due to how they're built. So I'm so happy we got this opportunity to ride with these dogs. Little downhill here. Grab a swig of water. I would grab my water, but it'd be frozen by now. All right. and joggers we get rolling in this holiday ride. Keep in mind your goals, whatever goals you have. I want you to keep them in the back of your mind. Whether that's getting in better shape, it's a great way to ease your mind. I know the holidays are stressful. Let's release a little stress together here. Go on our bikes, have some fun.